Hey everyone, it's Julie here with Tip Ranks. Today we're taking a look at 3 unanimous strong buy tech stocks, all recently named a top pick for 2026. So let's get into it. Alright guys, welcome back. Thank you all so much for being here. I hope you're all surviving the first Monday of 2026. Today, I was scrolling the breaking news on the fly when I saw quite a few analysts designating their top picks for 2026. So I narrowed in on 3 of them, all 3 tech stocks priced under $30 per share, and on top of recently being designated a top stock for the year ahead, they also have a unanimous strong buy consensus from Wall Street. So today, we're going to take a look at these companies, what it is that they do, and of course, what those analysts are predicting for the stock's future. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and that you're subscribed to the channel as well. Now let's dive right into these 3 strong buy tech stocks. First up, we're taking a look at SERV Robotics. They trade under the ticker SERV, currently priced at $12.42. Their stock broke onto the scene back in June of 2024, jumping from about $2 per share to over $20. They have cooled off since, dropping 48% in the past year. They did gain in the last 6 months, but have fallen 20% in the last 3. SERV Robotics designs, develops, and operates advanced AI-powered zero-emission autonomous robots for sidewalk-based last-mile delivery. Spun off from Uber in 2021, they focus primarily on food delivery, and key collaborations with major last-mile delivery platforms such as Uber Eats provides a significant channel for their scaled deployment. They boast a proprietary AI-powered robotic platform with extensive real-world deployment, having accumulated thousands of miles driven and completed numerous deliveries safely and reliably on public sidewalks. SERV Robotics is not yet profitable, and in their last quarterly report at the start of November, they posted a wider than expected loss per share. But the company did see a notable increase in revenue, plus hit some deployment milestones. For their third quarter, they reported a loss per share of 40 cents, which was 8 cents worse than analysts were anticipating. Revenue, however, came in at $687,000, which increased 210% year over year. They crossed the threshold of deploying 1,000 robots and said they plan to deploy 2,000 robots by the end of 2025. And back on December 12th, they announced that they hit that goal. Another big thing was them announcing a partnership with DoorDash, helping expand their reach to over 80% of the U.S. food delivery market. Just a few days ago, on January 2nd, a 4.5-star analyst from Northland named SERV Robotics as a top pick for 2026, calling it one of the best investments in physical AI with a myriad of 2026 catalysts. The firm contends that SERV has solved one of the most difficult problems in technology, namely that of virtual drivers. SERV Robotics comes in as a unanimous strong buy based on 5 current analyst ratings. And the average price target of $20 per share implies an upside potential of 60%. Looking at those price targets down below, they range from an upside of 20% all the way up to 108% from that analyst at Northland. For our second top pick tech stock, we're taking a look at Unusual Machines. They trade under the ticker UMAC, currently priced just above $15 per share. They've also seen some ups and downs this past year, overall down 17.5%, gaining over 70% in the last 6 months, and dropping 13% in the last 3. Unusual Machines designs, manufactures, and sells small drones and drone parts with a specific focus on first-person view technology. Their leading brands include Fat Shark, which are ultra-low latency video goggles, and Rotor Riot, an e-commerce platform for FPV drones and parts. They strategically target underserved industrial applications requiring highly customized and robust machinery, and possess a unique suite of patented and proprietary machine designs and algorithms, making their core offerings difficult for competitors to replicate. At the start of November, the company came out with their first profitable quarter, plus record revenue growth, though it did fall a bit short of analyst expectations. They saw Q3 earnings per share of 5 cents, beating expectations by 7 cents per share. Revenue climbed 39% year over year to $2.13 million. This did fall about $500,000 short of expectations, but also was their sixth consecutive quarter of record revenue. Just today, we heard from an analyst at Needham who named Unusual Machines as a top pick for 2026. They said the unmanned supercycle is expected to inflect meaningfully in 2026, potentially marking the first of several record years for drone procurement, with Unusual Machines well positioned as a leading domestic supplier of low-cost components. The stock does just have 3 current analyst ratings, but of course they all come in with a buy. And the average price target of $18.67 implies an upside potential of 22%. Looking at those price targets down below, they range from an upside of nearly 5% back in November to today's rating with an upside of 31%. If you've made it all the way to our third stock today, then make sure you've hit that thumbs up button. Third on our list is a company you might be a bit more familiar with. We're looking at Allegro MicroSystems. Trading under the ticker ALGM, they're currently priced at $28.58, having gained nearly 9% overall in the past year, but dropping 24% in the last 6 months and over 4% in the last 3. Allegro MicroSystems is in the business of sensor-integrated circuits and analog power ICs. They focus on motion control and energy-efficient systems, powering applications in electric vehicles, ADAS, clean energy, data centers, and industrial automation, driving safer, more sustainable technologies with over 30 years of experience. Their deep penetration and long-standing relationships in the automotive sector create significant barriers to entry and sustained revenue streams. Allegro MicroSystems did come out with both an earnings and revenue beat for their latest quarter near the end of October. Earnings per share came in at 13 cents, which was 1 cent ahead of analyst expectations, while revenue climbed up to $214.29 million, beating by over $3.5 million. Their automotive sales increased by 8% sequentially, and data center sales reached a new quarterly record driven by server power architect upgrades for AI workloads. And just today, a 5-star analyst from Wells Fargo added them to their 2026 Tactical Ideas list. They expect positive Q4 2025 earnings per share to highlight a continued improvement in leading indicators, and further expect Allegro's Analyst Day to be a positive catalyst for shares as it believes it will highlight positive content gain opportunities. The stock comes in as an overall strong buy with 8 unanimous buy ratings. And the average price target of $38.50 implies an upside potential of 34.5%. Looking at those price targets down below, pretty much all 5-star analysts weighing in on the stock, with upsides ranging from nearly 19% all the way up to 71%. So that is a quick look at 3 tech stocks with unanimous strong buy ratings and recently being designated a top pick for the year ahead. Let me know your thoughts on these companies and which one stands out the most to you and what other stocks you're looking at for 2026. I always love hearing from you guys. Keep in mind these videos are never a suggestion to buy or sell any specific stock, so please make sure you're always doing your own research and due diligence. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you back here next time.